Today is Saturday. It's December 14. Ang dami kong kailangan gawin because it's finals week. I have to do 7 recs. Oh, no. Actually, 2 na lang. Tapos yung ibang nasa to-do list ko, yung sked na lang ng finals ko. So, ang gagawin ko is yung concept paper. Tapos, may essay ako. I need to lock in because wala pa ako nasisimulan sa essay na need sa Tuesday na pala, which is 17. This is so funny.
Hindi naman ako kagalingan kumanta, di ba?
Nag-rock na
nung nasa Europe ako, nung isa sa mga unang beses na lumabas kami ng makaklase ko, kaya yung pinuntahan namin, siyang karaoke option. Yung karaoke naman doon, di ba? Hindi naman yung enclosed space na karaoke na naman sa Pilipinas. Para siyang sa restaurant. Tapos, pakapala na lang ng mukha na may mic doon.
Binigay ng prof namin sa libraries, so pinapakinggan ko. And ayoko naman basahin yung novel talaga kasi ang haba nun, so hindi ko siya babasahin. Mas magustuhin ko pang makinig sa podcast. So, ang ginagawa ko naka 2 times speed yung podcast. Kasi nagtitake notes na lang ako.
Lalo na halimbawa yung mga countries like Hong Kong, may isang tingin lagi sa inyo, domestic helper.
Actually, kahit sa Singapore, parang I remember nasa ako.
Oh my God. No. Kasi may poems ako na ginagawa. I have 5 poems. Hindi. Tapos ko na sila gawin. But like, may comments yung prof ko sa poems. So, akala ko ang deadline nun is next week. Which is yung pasahan pa ng zine namin. Sa 18 pa. But, ngayon na pala yung deadline ng poems. Like, yung revision ng poems. So, kinlotch ko yung revisions. Around 11:10 ko kasi nalaman na ngayon pala due yung revisions. So, I freaking revised. Like, agad-agad. Well, onti lang din naman kasi yung revisions. So, kinaya ko siya. Actually, hindi siya onti. Madami-dami siya. Kasi may ang daming tweaks na pinagawa sa akin. Pero, whatever. Sana na lang mataas score ko dito kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya, guys. 5 poem ba naman ang gawin ko, 'di ba? Like 5 poem. Oo, 5 poem. Tapos alam niyo ilang lines kinailangan namin gawin? Actually, di naman kinailangan gawin na 50 lines each poem, pero kasi kailangan mo ng rason kung bakit hindi 50. Actually, kinailangan ba? Parang hindi naman pinadiscuss sa amin kung bakit hindi. Anyways, yun lang, guys. Kasi, kanina grabe, ang chill ko. Nakikinig lang ako ng podcast. Tapos biglang, ngayon pala ang deadline ng revision. So, muntik na ako maiyak. So, I'm going out with my father today. And we're gonna buy gifts. I don't know what mall pupunta namin. Whatever, I'm just gonna hold it. But, right now, I can't choose any top. Meron akong bottoms. Because I'm gonna wear jorts. But I can't choose any top. Actually, I can wear this today. I'm gonna wear this Mofusang. That's it. I'm gonna wear that. Bye, guys. I am nagmamadali na actually kasi hindi ako makadecide kanina if sasama ako. So, ngayon nagmamadali ako. And, by the way, kaya di ako makadecide if sasama ako kasi may re-review pa ako. Pero kasi patapos na ako mag-review. And my class tomorrow is 6 p.m. pa naman. So, I still have a lot of time. Okay, I put some makeup on. Just mascara. Tapos blush on. Tapos nag-sunscreen na lang ako. Then, I'm gonna put some lippy. But I don't know what lip combo I'm gonna do today. Actually, alam ko na. Just gonna use this one from wala. Alam niya, may isa akong lip liner from Vice Cosmetics. Tapos nawala yung parang cover niya. Pero okay lang naman. Ito. I'm gonna use this shade. What shade is this though? First Kiss from Vice Cosmetics. And then, yung sa Colorette. This one. Lagi ko sa gitna. My fit. Jorts from Levi's.
What?
Shirt from Uniqlo. And bag from Beyond the Vines and Crocs.
Okay, mauiwan mo yun dyan.
At Salad Stop, guys. And we're at True Value. So, I just got home and it's 10:23 p.m. I'm just preparing. Inaayos ko lang yung gifts ko for my friends kasi bibigay ko na sila bukas. Ayoko na kasing may dalang something sa Paskuhan, so ibibigay ko na siya bukas. And yung gifts ko is kay Yana and Adi. A loopy keychain from Miniso. It's so cute though. That's why I chose this. And then, yung digestives, yung cookies or what. Basta yung masarap na biscuit from Marks and Spencer. Same with Nico, yun yung masarap na biscuit from Marks and Spencer. But iba yung kay Nico na keychain. It's from Harry Potter. Yung kay Yana, same lang kay Adi because Loopy is cute, so I decided to give Loopy to both of them. Naka-stapler na kasi yung kaya, hindi ko na mapakita. But anyways, yun lang guys. Yun lang pinamili ko today. And for dinner, ang kinain ko pala is Salad Stop. Tapos nag-Jamba Juice ako. After ko maligo, and syempre, linisin yung makeup ko, and then maglagay ng bedsheets. Mag-aaral muna ako hanggang 12:30 AM kasi kailangan ko mag-aral. Good morning, Philippines! Guess what? I'm cooked. I'm not. I'm cooked. I am definitely cooked. Wala na akong maintindihan sa reviewer. So, I'm preparing for school. Naka-uniform na ako. I'm just binubutton up ko na lang ito. This one. And then, this is me before. This is me. This is us before Livery's exam. This is us before Livery's exam. This is us after Livery's exam. Guys, may nasagot kami.
Yes!
Pero di kami sure.
Ayun
This
lang.
is for my vlog, by the way.
Hi vlog!
I'm doing this in my life.
What do you call your watchers?
Show
your viewers?
I don't call them anything pa.
Show the
Look
light.
at the lights. Look at the lights.
What
But
is this?
Wala na dito.
Basketball, volleyball, soccer.
Basketball, volleyball, soccer.
Basketball.
Guess the theme.
Guess the theme. Comment down below. I'm currently studying for theology. And wala nang tumatatak sa utak ko. Wala nang tumatatak sa utak ko sa dami ng nire-review ko. Hindi pa ako nagre-review sa content, by the way. Which is yung first subject bukas. Babasahin ko na lang siya ngayong gabi. Tapos, gigising ako na maaga bukas para mag-review sa both subjects. Kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya. Hindi ko na kaya. It's currently 11:57. Tapos nasa TEO pa rin ako kasi ang daming lesson sa theology. Itigil na natin to. magno-notes na lang ako, tapos magbabasa. Tapos bukas na ako ulit magre-review kasi wala na talaga. Hindi na gumagana ang utak ko. Hindi na siya nagpa-function. Hindi na siya nagpa-function at all. Nagno-notes nga pala ako because sa TIO namin, kapag tapos na yung, like, nagbibigay yung prof namin ng 10 minutes to browse our notes para naman may masagot. So, nag-take notes ako ngayon. Baka naman may makuha ako sa notes ko. Diba? Okay, yun lang. Bye. Magre-review na talaga ako.
Financial Center, Hong Kong. Financial Center in China, Shanghai. Ulit.
Financial Forum, New York. What?
Rapidly growing city. Environmental trend. Issues and pride. Agak Michael. Technology to urban living. Major financial hub. Worldwide. Well-developed transportation. Significant financial center. Stock exchange. Prestigious universities. Leading city in finance and technology. Strategic location. Ensure steady supply. Managing a large diverse population. Okay. Perfect na namin.
Perfect na namin yung identification lang. Listen.
I don't know what I've tried. I don't think I could love you more.
Rate our drip.
Rate our drip.
Our gluten drip.
Elementary school drip. Is that from
Oshkosh? Oh my god.
Mine's from Darlington.
Bye guys. Bye guys, because our prof is here.
He's not.
I promise.
This is me before the theology exam. Oh my god! Guys, we will do a reaction video sa score namin sa Tio. 1, 2, 3, go! Ay, pasado ako! Plus 10, plus 10. 44. May plus 10 na, plus 10. 54. 46. Guys, I passed. It's 8:54 a.m. and it's December 18, and guess what? Wala akong alam sa subject na literature, which is still my last exam. My last exam. Oh my god. Just wala na akong pasok bukas. Friday, Paskuhan na lang. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm getting ready and I think I put too much sunscreen. But, whatever. I think okay na siya. Is it? Yes. It's okay. Now, I just need to put Vaseline on my lips because it's dry. Okay. My ID. And my watch.
Sa ilalim ba?
Go! Eat your gummy bears. Eat your gummy. Kainin mo nga, real or fake?
Maside.
Real or fake? Real!
Dati ako.
Bye, guys. Tapos na exams namin.
Yes.
And guess what?
Bye, poetry workshop. Good
Guess what?
riddance. Guess what?
Ang score namin sa lit ay...
0.
Hello, it's the next day. It's Thursday. And it's 12:39 p.m. I woke up at 11 a.m. Yun yung latest na nagising ako this week. I mean, no. Yun yung latest na nagising ako ever in my life. Kasi bawal ako magising that late. Pero nagtaka ako, bakit walang gumigising sa akin? So, bumangon na ako. So, kasi nagugutom na ako. So, I had to eat breakfast, brunch. I don't know. Anyway, you know, I slept at 12 a.m. last night because I watched a movie, The Longest Ride. The Longest Ride. It was so nice. It was a 10 out of 10. Thank you, Kirsten, for recommending it. Guess what I'm wearing for my pantulog tonight? Ay, mali. See, the handprints. It's December 20. And I'm currently getting ready for Agape. Because, Agape. Paskuhan kasi. Hindi na nga ako natuloy sa Agape. Ano niya, ito dapat yung suot ko nung Agape. Pero hindi nga ako natuloy. So, may, this one. Ipapatang ko to. Hindi nga ako natuloy na Agape. So, sa Paskuhan ko na lang siya isusuot kasi sayang naman. But anyway, I'm gonna do my makeup now. Ita-timelapse ko na lang.